This is my battery box. Drill a hole in the battery box for the switch. Install this double pole, double throw switch. Drill a hole in the battery box cover for the emergency light. Install this electrical coupling for the wire for emergency light. Install the nut. Install this 12 volts square LED emergency light. Insert the wire. Drill a hole in the battery box cover for the cigarette lighter socket outlet in a splitter 12 volts USB outlet. Install cigarette outlet power. Install twin USB charger, 5 volts, 2.1 amps. Put the nut. Wired all the wiring connections. Put the battery on the battery box. Hook up the control into the battery. Positive to red wire and black wire to negative. Check the battery reading through voltage indicator. I installed already the battery LED voltage indicator in my previous project. This is to monitor the DC voltage reading of the battery. Check the battery reading by turning on the double pole double throw switch. The battery reading is 13.3 volts DC. The cigarette lighter and USB charger is ready to use. We can use the emergency light by turning on the double pole double throw switch. We can use the emergency light by turning on the double pole double throw switch. We can plug in solar panel to recharge the battery. My mini universal power station has been completed. My battery is trickle charged with my 1.8 watts solar panel.